In the land of Aravia, a young warrior named Ryu discovered his unique ability to control the elements. Guided by the wise master Hikari, Ryu embarked on a quest to gather the elemental guardians and restore balance to their world. Ryu's first encounter was with Arya, a swift and agile warrior who commanded the power of wind. Together, they ventured into the wind caverns, facing fierce winds and treacherous paths. With Ryu's strength and Arya's nimbleness, they overcame the challenges and formed a strong bond. Their next destination was the Waterfalls of Serenity, where they met Kai, a calm and determined warrior skilled in manipulating water. The journey was perilous, with raging rivers and powerful currents. However, Ryu and Arya's determination prevailed, and with Kai's guidance, they honed their water-manipulating skills. Ember, a fierce warrior with a fiery spirit, joined their group as they ascended the Ember Peaks, a fiery mountain range. The intense heat and molten lava posed a great challenge, but Ember taught Ryu and his friends how to control the power of fire. With newfound abilities, they unleashed flames against their enemies and forged an unbreakable bond. Their final destination led them deep into the Earth Realm, where they encountered Terra, a stalwart guardian with unwavering resolve. Together, they delved into the depths of the Earth, navigating intricate tunnels and facing powerful adversaries. Terra's guidance helped Ryu and his companions harness the power of Earth, granting them incredible strength and the ability to shape the terrain. As their group grew stronger, Ryu and the elemental guardians confronted Zephyrus, the malevolent sorcerer behind the darkness plaguing Aravia. The final battle took place in a grand showdown between light and darkness. Ryu's comrades unleashed their elemental powers, displaying their mastery over fire, wind, water, and earth. With unity and unwavering determination, Ryu faced Zephyrus, channeling the combined strength of the elemental guardians. Their clash echoed throughout the land, as light and darkness clashed in a mesmerizing spectacle of magic and swordplay. In a triumphant moment, Ryu delivered a decisive blow, banishing Zephyrus from Aravia. The realm rejoiced as light and hope were restored. Ryu and the elemental guardians were hailed as heroes, their names etched in the hearts of the people. With their mission complete, Ryu and his friends vowed to protect Aravia from any future threats. They embraced their roles as guardians of balance and harmony, ensuring that darkness would never again cast its shadow over their cherished world. And so, Ryu and the elemental guardians stood tall, ready to face new adventures and protect the realm they held dear. Their bond of friendship, forged through trials and shared victories, would forever be a beacon of hope in the land of Aravia.